Hi, 98 Ford Explorer 5.0 differential transfer case swap video. I'm going to show you now where the drain plug is on the front differential, and try my best to explain some stuff further if I can. We'll see. So, first of all, if you can see this axle shaft here, or axle shaft, drive line here, these are going to be your, from your wheels, of course, into here. Axle shafts meet here. This is your front differential. There we go. That's an axle, which goes in there over to your wheel. And there's a lot of steering and suspension parts and such. I don't remember all the names at the moment. Still learning. This, if you can see, I don't have a flash on the camera, but that right there is the drain plug on the front of the differential. Now, on the differential on the front, and it's going to be on the driver's side, about mid-level. Now you can't just drain this. As you can see, it's right here. There's no bottom plug. That's why I have the suction pump. So I imagine I'll have to put a 3/8 inch extension in there and loosen it. Then go ahead and insert the suction tube from the pump about as far as it needs to go in, but try to get it real flush with the bottom, and I'll pump out the fluids. And then I will go ahead and insert the fluids afterwards. Make sure I get it sucked out pretty good. Now, I've run into this situation here where my skid plate is covering where my transfer case will need to drain from. And the transfer case is in a four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive application. You know, I'm actually not sure with some of the newer Subarus, if they have one, I'd imagine. But anyways, with traditional stuff here, you're going to have your axles connect your wheels inadvertently that connect to your differential, which then you have, I guess, probably a drive line here that connects to your transfer case. And then from your transfer case, you're going to have an inlet and an outlet shaft, which is going to go to the rear wheels, which is then going to be displaced through the axle shafts into the rear wheels. Now, this is predominantly rear-wheel drive, and I think what happens, what I've heard from people, sources, mechanics, such, when I work in the automotive industry, is, something's coming out here. You're going to have a, it's okay, hey. You're going to have, think here. Oh, yes. I think what happens is the ABS sensor, is what I've been told. The ABS sensor will detect that it needs traction on acceleration or on slip if you're getting sideways in the dirt or snow or something. And it will then kick traction to the front wheels. I'm going to go ahead and move forward with this a little bit more.